Introducing LFA's powder mixers. The VH series mixers are semi-automatic mixing machines that are designed for combining dry powdered materials. Ranging from 8 litres to 500 litres, there's a machine for all mixing capacities. The VH series have asymmetric mixing tubes that avoid dead angles, ensuring you get a thorough mix. They can be filled from the top and then emptied from the bottom with easy to use locking systems. Featuring simple controls, they have timed or continuous running options with an automatic cut-off at the end of the job. The VH series has stainless steel tubes that are both hygienic and durable. With its range of options, simple controls and efficiency, the VH series is a great option for your mixing needs. For more information on LFA's VH mixing range, please visit www.lfamixers.com.